Okay, after being downstairs, replacing the board, proving it's the board, getting the system back up and running, because we know either we have a voltage spiking problem, taking out boards and units one after another. This has been all of a sudden turned into a problem. We had all that sulfur downstairs. We re-disconnected the board. We unlanded the communication wires off of the indoor unit, and we jumpered them together so they act as one continuous wire to the next unit because it's daisy chained. And then we came up here and auto addressed, and coming over to the auto addressed over here on the Panasonic ECOi VFR unit, one was set up before, and that's the tens place. And then the little red knob where you see, where's my finger, come on, right there where you see the 9, we had 10 air handlers, so we switched off the tens place and turned it to a 0. This was on 0, meaning it's a 0, so you have 10, so now we have it back to 9, so there's only 9 units. So now we'll go through the auto address, and then now it knows it has 9 units and everything should work perfectly. And if not, there'll be another video after this. And so you could see kind of what the units look like. This is what two Panasonic ECOis look like. And we have a 8 ton unit. Shoot, I can't remember what it was. It was an 8 and a 10, or was it an 8 and a 6? Can't remember one. Yeah, 72,000 BTUs and a 92,000 BTUs. We put these things up many years ago, so I forgot. But you're gonna see some other videos with some problems, and the problems aren't with the units themselves, other than the problems they had because of electrical. They usually last 15-20 years. Getting parts, getting communication, getting a hold of Panasonic technical support, not getting email requests, supplies for parts, sending out emails on their parts request, no replies, technical requests, no replies, being told a different email than what they have listed, trying to get onto their website, and the website gets hijacked by another Panasonic website that's also Panasonic, but supposedly has nothing to do with this division. But yet when you put in this website, whether you use Explorer or an Apple, Siri, or Bing, or any other web, it keeps getting hijacked. So trying to get to them that way is a total waste of time. Having to go and jump through hoops to get their parts, since they kind of got their asses kicked out of our area from the local distributors. We actually had to go through a electronics warehouse distributor, Platt, to get some of the parts needed, who know nothing about what they were selling us, and they have to call to find out and get approval and go through a completely worthless markup of chain, plus an extra cost and an extra headache to the customer, an extra headache to the contractor technician who has to do this. Absolutely an absurd way of selling and distributing your products, especially since there's nobody local really to take and manage this product line anymore. It was a complete waste of time. Next video, and that's going to be a long, lengthy one explaining the problems on servicing Panasonic ECOi units.